Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scott Francis from Cameroon. Today we're going to talk about how to start a profitable livestock farm business with no cost and successfully. So before we continue to this video, please don't forget to like, share, hit the notification button for more videos. A lot of people have been asking me to send them some document, maybe some PDF form, and that will enable them to start their own profitable livestock farming. So today we're really going to talk about that. And before that, what you need to understand is before you starting with your livestock business, you need a large superficie of land. That is something like you need a superficie of 1 hectare. If you want to raise maybe a quantity of 200 pigs, you need a superficie of 1 hectare of land. Number one thing you need to know about livestock farming. Livestock farming, we have a lot of category and a lot of variety of animals that you can raise, maybe at your backyard. So the steps to start a livestock farming business will depend on your budget and your location also, because there are locations that for you to start a farming business, you spend a lot. Like in the United States, it's not an easy task. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? My name is Dr. Jomo Frankis from Cameroon. Today, I'm going to tell you guys how to start a profitable piggery farm for free and easily. All the steps, if you follow all the steps, all the necessary steps,